Hi, it's Nina. Hello and welcome again on nowiknow channel. And in today's video, we're gonna talk about how to fix Instagram account has been temporarily locked. So let's get started. Well, when you try getting your Instagram account and you find this notification, it means that your Instagram account has been temporarily locked. And actually, there are many reasons why Instagram locked your account. The first one, because you're using a third-party app, and actually it's used to get more likes. So if Instagram indicates that you're using a third-party app, they will lock your account. And you have to delete that app in order to unlock your account. Another reason, it's maybe because when you're trying to put in a wrong password many times, so Instagram will think that you're trying to hack this account and they'll lock your account temporarily. Now, how to fix that problem? You can simply hit the continue button, and in case it doesn't show anymore, you can simply go to Google Chrome and write down Instagram account disabled form. Then tap on Instagram Help Center. This interface will appear, and when you tap on continue button, it will bring you to the same page. And here you have to fill up all this information: your full name, your email, Instagram username, and your mobile number. And here, for example, I forgot my Instagram password, and that's why I entered a wrong password too many times. Then tap on send. And normally it will unblock your account within 24 hours. And this is it. This is how to fix Instagram account has been locked temporarily. Thanks for watching. See ya.